In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Karma the Dark World on your PC. If you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses, and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find these great games without overspending and keeping your PC safe. So the first step is open your Google browser, and after that I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step will be to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to Steam, after that search for the game Karma the Dark World, select it and scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game is already available for €22.49. But don't worry, we got a little workaround to download this full game. What you need to do is open the link in the description of this video where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Now search for the same game. After that select games on the left side and of course sort price lowest by first. Now the first one, which is available and marked green, can be activated in our country, so make sure it is marked green. After that select the game, and now if you purchase this game for just €17.99 instead of €22.49, you will save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is purchase this game through this website and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key or a Steam account to download this game on your PC. Once you have done that, you are able to play this game and enjoy. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!